Hello, everybody, and welcome to Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020. Here's your science lesson for today. First off, answer that bell ringer, always up there. We're talking about cells. Today, specifically focusing on COVID. Oh, there's a bell you can hear, probably in the background. Talking about the COVID virus today, since it is a virus that affects our cells, and it's, pretty recently up there in the news, I would say. So we're going to be taking a look at that. We're going to review our notes in class first to make sure that we have everything. I've already taken a look at some of your answers by this point, so we'll have a little review of those notes happening here, making sure that we're all on the level. That will come a little bit later after this video. I'll have a separate video where we just review the notes. I plan on taking a video of me going through things with First Hour. So you can check that out as far as how the review process goes with the notes. But then we got our Science World article, COVID-19 virus. How you're going to get to that for today is, let me go back here on our Wednesday folder in here. You can see Wednesday, September 2nd. There's our bell ringer right there. And then there is this article, Understanding COVID. The password to log into this, when you open it up, because it's a website, so he'll bring it up, it's going to ask you to log in. We already have accounts made. Log in. You are a student for this, so click I am a student. Do not click on creating a new account or anything of that sort there. It'll load up. Possibly. Let's try this again. All right. We'll take you to the actual website itself, so maybe you have to be out of the browser. So how I did this on this page here, I just clicked on this top part here, Understanding COVID, password Potter 709. Click on that. It'll bring you to the actual website. You can click on I am a student. And then it's just going to ask for your classroom password. Our classroom password is Potters 709, all lowercase. And you can sign in. Do not sign in with Google Classroom. We're not using that. You don't have We don't have that. And it should let you see the article, and it's our COVID-19 article. And what you're going to do, you're going to read through it. If you need to adjust your reading levels, they're over here to the side. It just changes up some of the words a little bit there. All the questions that you'll be answering towards the end, doesn't matter which kind of thing that you go through there. But as you read through it, at the end, you're going to answer some questions. So I want you to read through it fully. It's got it broken down in different parts, like where did the virus come from? What have we been able to track as far as the spread of the virus has gone? What are the possible treatments right now? How things have changed over just 3 months when it first started? How can you reduce your risk? We got some things dealing with the sanitation stuff going on there. And then once you read through it, you're going to head back to Schoology. So we'll head back to Schoology, open up our Wednesday folder here, open up assignment for it, and for you guys, I'm going to hit preview here so it previews it. As the instructions say here, you're going to answer the following questions about the COVID-19 article from the Science World. You can attempt this up to 3 times, and the highest score will be recorded. It's going to give you a random set of questions each time you take the assignment, so you've got to answer 5 questions about the article. When you answer the 5 questions about the article, it's going to give you your score. It's not going to tell you what is the correct answer all the time, but it is going to tell you how many you got right versus how many you got wrong. You got 3 attempts. When you hit start new attempt, it's going to give you 5 questions. They're going to be a random 5 questions. We got I think 10 to 15 different questions made about the article, so it's going to give you 5 questions each time. You just answer them. You can hit review your answers, submit all that stuff at the end. And then let's say you got one wrong, you got an 8 out of 10. You want to go for a 10 out of 10, take it again. It's going to record your highest score. So you might as well take it as many times, 3 times for this, until you get your highest score. Once you've taken it 3 times, though, you cannot take it again. It is 3 attempts for that. And then that is your homework for today. So that is everything as far as Wednesday goes for class here today, so we'll be wrapping things up. So I hope you're staying safe out there, staying strong, staying all that kind of good stuff out there. And we will see you back in class as quick as we can. But if you have any questions, do not hesitate to email me. Once again, that email address will be right up top there. Oh, I've got to switch cameras to know which camera I'm looking at. Right up above me. Right there is the email address. If you have any questions whatsoever, please ask away. Otherwise, we'll see you as soon as we can. Stay safe, take care, and always remember, it is a great day to be a junior Potter.